Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a smooth slow motion video on CapCut PC. So you're just going to select the video that you want to use, I guess. Just going to select this one, and to make this video a slow motion video, you're just going to select the clip first, go to basic and go to speed, and then if you want the speed to change, you might be able to do that in curve. So go to customize, and for instance, here you want it to be slow motion. You're going to drag this down, but not too much because it's going to look a little bit weird. And as you can see, it goes back to the fast pace. But if you want everything to go slow motion, you're just going to move everything down. If you want to make it fast motion, pull it up. So then you are going to add in the smooth slow motion, and you're just going to choose optical flow. It does take longer time, but it gives a better quality to your videos. You can also speed up the whole entire video to be slow motion here. So if you go to normal and put it to the left, you can choose the optical flow again for the smooth slow motion, but I'm just going to select the curves one, and don't forget to add in the smooth slow motion, which is the optical flow one on your video. This is what the video should look like after processing. If you do make the video if the duration of your video is longer and stuff, it will take longer, so just be patient for that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!